First, set up the machine exactly as shown in the initial video I showed you. Then, from where it says 2D at the top, select Face. Next, a menu like this will open. First, you need to select a tool as it appears there. For that, either create a tool suitable for a facing operation as I instructed, or add a pre-existing face tool that you've already made. Next, you'll need to select the geometry. In face programs, this is often auto-selected. If not, you can manually select your desired area. Next, you'll see the Heights menu. First, you need to set the clearance height. It's set to 10 mm by default, and I'll leave it as is, but you can change it if you like. After that, you'll also need to input the retract height, followed by the feed height. Then, you'll specify the top height where your facing operation begins, as well as your bottom height. Next, go to the Passes menu. Here, you'll be asked for things like tolerance, stock offset, and step over. Set these according to your requirements. After that, you can select the step down from the multiple depths option. You can also provide a finishing step down, which will help you achieve a better finish on your workpiece.